I have invested in a headlight protector from Wunderlich. I have chosen the clear one. In this video I will show you how I mounted it on my bike. I have chosen the clear one, and the first thing to do is to remove the windshield, and to do that I have first those 4 bolts. That was the first step. Now I have to remove those black plastic things. And there you have it. It's the T30, this one. Next step is to fit this holder, and I also have to put on some type of damper underneath, which I thought should be included in this package. This is how it should be mounted, but I should have those rubber fittings. I have to take the bike inside. Yes, it's raining. This is how I will do it. I will put on some vulcanization tape. I don't know if it's called vulcanization tape actually, but at least I think it will do the same job. There you have it. It will protect a little at least. And now put this one back again. Like that. Okay. Next step, remove cover bolt screw, and that one you have there, and also another one at the opposite side. They want me to remove the blinker. The lower one. And then I will take the upper one. but the front one I will take a new bolt that was included, and since this one is a nylon locker, I don't have to tighten it that extremely hard. And now I have to do the same on the opposite side. First you take this one, and then take the rear mount. And you can see on this nut that you have a little collar, so it fits in this wrench. Now this one on this side, those bolts that I will fit now, you definitely should put on before you do the moment that I just have done. You will save so much struggle if doing this in correct order. Now I will add this one to the assembly. If look at the paper, I should have this bolt, and I should have a washer, this nylon washer, and I should have this metallic washer, and I should have a locking nut, and that locking nut is number 8. And I should have the same part at the opposite side, this one with this squared, as you can see from the outside, and then the nylon washer in the hole, and the metallic and the locking nut from inside. And the same from the other side. And now those rubber fittings. And now the last piece, and that will be to mount this plastic thing inside. This would be the T20. Okay, here you have it. Those rubber thing is fitted with a little brass nut, so you should put this one in each hole, and when take those small bolts, small screws, this brass nut will tighten everything, and it will hold the rubber will expand. This is a really clever construction. There you have it. That one you should only do hand tight. That was all for this time. I hope that you liked the video, and I also hope that you stay on my channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and see you in next video. Bye.